Have you ever wondered how the modern industrial world began? How did we transition from a world dominated by agriculture and handcrafted goods to one shaped by factories and mass production? The answer lies in a period of profound technological advancement and societal transformation known as the Industrial Revolution. Beginning in the late 18th century and extending into the 19th century, this era witnessed a series of groundbreaking inventions and innovations that forever altered the course of human history. In this video, we will embark on a captivating journey to explore the key features of the first industrial revolution, also known as Industry 1.0, and unravel its enduring impact on the world we know today. From the tranquil countryside to the bustling workshops, a new era was dawning. The hum of machinery began to fill the air, marking a radical departure from the traditional rhythms of hand-powered tools. At the heart of this transformation lay the ingenious invention of mechanization. It was a revolution born from necessity, a response to the growing demands of a burgeoning population and the limitations of human labor. Among the pioneers of this mechanized age were visionaries like James Hargreaves, whose spinning jenny, invented in 1764, revolutionized the textile industry. This groundbreaking contraption enabled a single weaver to spin multiple threads simultaneously, exponentially increasing productivity. But the march of innovation did not stop there. In 1785, Edmund Cartwright unveiled the power loom, a mechanized wonder that automated the process of weaving, further propelling the textile industry into a new era of efficiency. However, perhaps the most iconic symbol of Industry 1.0 was the steam engine. Developed by James Watt in the late 18th century, the steam engine harnessed the power of steam to drive machinery, liberating industries from their reliance on water and wind power. This transformative invention opened up a world of possibilities, powering factories, mills, and eventually even locomotives and steamships. The steam engine became the beating heart of the Industrial Revolution, driving progress and reshaping the landscape of human civilization. The steam engine, a marvel of engineering, stood as a testament to human ingenuity. Its impact reverberated across industries, transforming the very fabric of society. In the textile mills, the steam engine's tireless power drove the spinning jennies and power looms, producing fabrics at an unprecedented scale. The clatter of these machines, once a novelty, became the soundtrack of the Industrial Revolution, echoing through factories and workshops. Beyond textiles, the steam engine's influence spread to other industries, fueling the growth of mining, metallurgy, and manufacturing. It powered pumps that drained water from mines, enabling deeper and more efficient extraction of valuable resources. In ironworks, the intense heat generated by steam engines facilitated the smelting and shaping of iron, providing the raw materials for the machines and infrastructure that defined the era. The steam engine's impact was not confined to the factory floor. It extended to transportation, revolutionizing the way people and goods moved across land and sea. The advent of steam-powered locomotives gave birth to railways, forging new pathways across continents and shrinking distances. These iron horses pulling carriages laden with passengers and cargo became symbols of progress, connecting cities and towns in a way never before imagined. On the waterways, steamships emerged as powerful vessels, capable of navigating rivers and oceans with unprecedented speed and efficiency. They opened up new trade routes, facilitated global commerce, and connected distant corners of the world. The textile industry, once a cottage industry characterized by hand spinning and weaving, underwent a dramatic metamorphosis during the first industrial revolution. Innovations like the spinning jenny and the power loom propelled textile production to unprecedented levels, transforming the industry from a labor-intensive craft to a mechanized powerhouse. The spinning jenny, invented by James Hargreaves in 1764, marked a turning point in textile production. This ingenious contraption allowed a single spinner to operate multiple spindles simultaneously, exponentially increasing the output of yarn. The jenny's impact was immediate and profound, leading to a surge in yarn production and a corresponding decrease in the cost of textiles. Building upon the success of the spinning jenny, Edmund Cartwright introduced the power loom in 1785. This groundbreaking invention mechanized the process of weaving, replacing the hand-operated looms that had been the mainstay of textile production for centuries. The power loom, driven by water or steam power, could weave cloth at a much faster rate than traditional looms, further enhancing the efficiency and output of the textile industry. The combined impact of the spinning jenny and the power loom transformed the textile landscape, leading to mass production of fabrics and a wider availability of affordable clothing. Textile mills, equipped with these mechanized marvels, sprang up across the industrializing world, becoming centers of innovation and employment. The transformation of the textile industry had far-reaching consequences, influencing fashion, trade, and even social dynamics. As textile production became more efficient and affordable, clothing became more readily available to a wider segment of the population. This led to a shift in fashion trends, as people were no longer limited to homespun garments or expensive imported fabrics. The mass production of textiles also fueled the growth of international trade, as countries with mechanized textile industries could export their goods to global markets. The textile industry's transformation during the first industrial revolution serves as a testament to the power of innovation and its ability to reshape entire industries, leaving an indelible mark on society. Iron, a metal long prized for its strength and versatility, played a pivotal role in the first industrial revolution. New techniques in iron production emerged, providing the raw materials for the machines, tools, and infrastructure that defined the era. One of the key advancements in iron production was the introduction of coke smelting. Coke, a purified form of coal, proved to be a more efficient fuel for smelting iron ore than traditional charcoal. This innovation led to higher temperatures in blast furnaces, enabling the production of larger quantities of iron with greater consistency. Another significant development was the invention of the puddling furnace by Henry Cort in the late 18th century. This ingenious furnace allowed for the removal of impurities from pig iron, a crude form of iron produced in blast furnaces. The puddling process resulted in wrought iron, a purer and more malleable form of iron that was ideal for use in machinery, tools, and construction. The increased availability of high-quality iron fueled the growth of various industries. Machine tools made from sturdy iron enabled the precise crafting of metal parts, leading to more efficient and sophisticated machinery. The construction industry benefited from the abundance of iron, using it to build bridges, railways, and other essential infrastructure. The iron industry itself underwent a period of rapid expansion, with ironworks springing up near sources of coal and iron ore. These industrial centers became hubs of innovation and employment, attracting workers from rural areas and contributing to the growth of urban centers. The advancements in iron production during the first industrial revolution were instrumental in driving the mechanization of various industries. Iron, the backbone of industry, provided the essential material for the tools, machines, and structures that shaped the modern world. The first industrial revolution triggered a profound shift in population patterns, as people flocked from rural areas to urban centers in search of work and opportunity. The rise of factories and mills created a demand for labor, drawing people away from agricultural pursuits and into the burgeoning industrial workforce. Cities, once primarily centers of trade and administration, transformed into bustling hubs of manufacturing and innovation. Factories, with their towering chimneys and relentless hum of machinery, became defining features of the urban landscape. The influx of workers from rural areas led to rapid urbanization, with cities expanding at an unprecedented pace. The growth of urban centers brought about significant social and economic changes. New housing was needed to accommodate the burgeoning urban population, leading to the development of crowded tenements and sprawling working-class neighborhoods. The concentration of workers in urban areas gave rise to a new working class, with its own distinct culture, values, and challenges. The rise of factories and mills created new employment opportunities, but it also led to new forms of labor exploitation. Workers often faced long hours, low wages, and hazardous working conditions. The absence of labor laws and regulations left workers vulnerable to exploitation by factory owners seeking to maximize profits. Despite the challenges, urban centers offered opportunities for social and economic advancement. Cities provided access to education, healthcare, and cultural amenities that were often unavailable in rural areas. The concentration of people in urban centers also fostered innovation and creativity, as new ideas and technologies spread rapidly through the dense social networks of city life. The urbanization that accompanied the first industrial revolution transformed the social and physical landscape of society, creating new challenges and opportunities that continue to shape our world today. The first industrial revolution witnessed a revolution in transportation, as innovations like railways and steamships transformed the way people and goods moved across land and sea. These breakthroughs in transportation technology facilitated trade, spurred economic growth, and connected distant corners of the world in unprecedented ways. The advent of steam-powered locomotives gave birth to railways, ushering in a new era of land transportation. Railways provided a faster, more efficient, and reliable means of transporting goods and passengers than traditional horse-drawn carriages or canals. The construction of railways required vast amounts of labor and capital, leading to the development of new industries and creating numerous job opportunities. Railways had a profound impact on the economy, facilitating the transportation of raw materials to factories and finished goods to markets. They opened up new territories for settlement and agriculture, as farmers could now transport their produce to distant urban centers. Steamships emerged as a transformative force in maritime transportation, revolutionizing sea travel and global trade. Powered by steam engines, these vessels were faster, more reliable, and capable of carrying larger cargoes than traditional sailing ships. Steamships reduced travel time between continents, making it possible to transport perishable goods over long distances. They opened up new trade routes, connecting distant markets and fostering international commerce. The revolution in transportation during the First Industrial Revolution had a profound impact on society, shrinking distances, facilitating trade, and connecting people and cultures in unprecedented ways. The legacy of these innovations continues to shape our world today, as railways and ships remain essential modes of transportation for goods and people across the globe. The First Industrial Revolution, a period of remarkable technological advancement and societal transformation, left an enduring legacy that continues to shape our world today. The innovations of this era, from mechanization to steam power, laid the foundation for modern industrial society. The profound impacts of Industry 1.0 extended far beyond the factory floor, influencing urbanization, transportation, and the very fabric of social life. As we reflect on the dawn of the modern industrial world, it is essential to recognize how these historical changes continue to influence our lives today. The technologies we rely on, the cities we inhabit, and the interconnectedness of our globalized world are all products of the transformative forces unleashed by the First Industrial Revolution. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the dawn of modernity. I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and share your thoughts or questions about the Industrial Revolution in the comments below. Let's continue to explore the fascinating history that has shaped our world.